Morning students. Today we start MySQL. As we know that SQL is a structured query language and it is used for creating database. Database is a collection of related data and everything is stored in the database. If we are using RDBMS, then everything is stored in the form of a tables. So MySQL is similar to how you start other applications in your Windows. Make sure that your MySQL server is installed on your computer. Once it is installed, you have to do the following steps. First, go to the start button, then click on the all programs and then MySQL, and then go to MySQL server or click on SQL client line, SQL command line client. It will start the MySQL client. Then it asks about the password which you use during the installation. And once you are connected to the MySQL server, a welcome message is displayed and the MySQL prompt appears, at which SQL statements are to be sent to the server for execution. You can quit from MySQL by tapping quit. Now let's create database in MySQL. In MySQL we have multiple databases and you can create unlimited number of tables by using different commands. And first of all, we create database by using create database command. By writing create database and the name of the database which you want to create. You can see list of the existing database by giving following MySQL command. By writing show, you can see all the databases in your system. Now if you want to open the database, then write the command use command to open a database. Use database name. Suppose you want to open a school database, then we can write use school. Now creating a table inside a database. A table hold data from a table hold data about students, teachers, employees, etc. And a table consists of number of rows and columns. Each column have a data type like int, char, varchar, decimal, etc. And we studied about data types in a previous class. Now we have to create a table. You can create a table in MySQL by using a create table command. And after every command, write semicolon. Semicolon means end of the line. It is a delimiter or the terminator. For example, create table employee and ID. इसके अंदर कॉलम नेम्स होंगे. फर्स्ट कॉलम नेम इज ID. इट इज ऑफ टाइप int. Then comma, next column name, varchar, then comma, address, varchar, in birth, data, bracket close, semicolon. Semicolon means termination, end of the command. Now select statement. Select command is used to select data from a database. If you want to see any record in your database or in your table, then you give select command. It is the part of the DML language, data manipulation language, which you have studied in your previous class, that is responsible for query to the database. Means if you want to do a query from our database, then we used select command. And the syntax is select column 1, column 2 from table name. Suppose we want to select name from the employee table, then we write select name from employee. Now if we want to extract the records on the basis of some condition, suppose I want to access the records of the students whose percentage is greater than 50%, then I use a where clause. Where clause is used to give the condition with the select command. Suppose I want to I want to extract the names of those students who secure greater than 70%, then I use where clause with the select command, and I will write select name from student where percentage greater than 70. So where clause is used to extract only those commands that fulfill a specified condition, and the syntax is select column name from table name where condition. Then we use order by clause. Order by clause is also used with select command. It is used for sorting the data either in ascending order or in descending order, and by default it is in, if you are not using any ascend order by clause, then by default it sort the items in a ascending order. For sorting, this order by clause is used with select command, and for sorting in ascending order we used ASC, and for sorting in descending order we can use DESC. And the syntax is select column 1, column 2, so on from table name, order by column 1, column 2, ASC or DSC. And ASC or DSC are the keywords used to sort results either in ascending order or in descending order. Suppose you want to get a list that sorts the query result using the gender field, we would use the statement select asterisk from employee order by gender. तो ये जो आपको आउटपुट देगा वो जेंडर के बेस पे सॉर्ट करके दे देगा. Then we use distinct statement. Distinct statement returns only those values which are unique or distinct. different जो values हैं उन्हीं को वो return करेगा. And its syntax is select distinct column 1, column 2. means duplicate values आपको show नहीं करेगा. distinct keyword and distinct is also used with select statement. Next is deleting a record from a table. If you want to delete a record means a one row. If you want to delete a one row from a table, then you use delete command. Delete command का syntax है delete from table name where condition. Suppose you want to delete the person whose name is Mohan, then we write delete from employee where name equals to Rohan. So this is all about SQL and the commands we used in SQL. Thank you.